here. How do you feel about the new gun laws that were recently just passed in Florida?
Well, yes, okay. That's a loaded question because
Yeah.
it's like, for one, it wasn't passed. It was just one circuit found. I'm sorry, one district court of appeal found that the prior ban on open carry is not constitutional. Now we have six appellate circuits that, and they just created the sixth not too long ago, but we have six appellate circuits. Our governor and our attorney general has decided, well, because this circuit says that that should be the law of the land.
Right.
I don't know that any other circuits have made any kind of determination that they agree or disagree, because if they disagree, then it will automatically go to the Supreme Court of Florida to make a determination. Now, apparently, the laws banning this has been in effect for many, many years. So I know the tide and temperature of these types of laws are always, changing. So what I read of the our attorney general's decision was to not pursue these types of cases for people open carrying.
Okay.
I'm not going to give anybody advice because I still don't think it's. I just wouldn't want anybody to get into, if they decide to roll that back,
Sure.
be in any trouble.
So let's say someone is like, I don't know, they're getting out their car and there's somebody walking by and they see them put their gun in their holster and they
Yep.
tuck it over their shirt.
Yeah.
What would that be considered okay now? Because
That's a great question.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because in one aspect, open carry means that it's open and obvious.
Right.
The other aspect is then you put your shirt over. Is it now concealed? And
Sure.
does the concealed weapons laws take effect?
Right.
It's changing. There's.
So this doesn't actually have any impact on how you can carry, and also if you're, let's say, for example, caught with, I don't know, maybe let's say a joint or something or some weed on you and you have a gun on you. I feel like this might be the opportunity that the I guess the courts, if you will, might take to say these are going to be the cases we home in on, since we can't, focus on these anymore.
Well, the prosecutors, they, in a sense, have to abide by what the attorney general and the governor say, if this is how we were going to pursue these cases.
Sure.
And so, every case is a case-by-case basis. I think, obviously, if you had any gun charge, and anybody who's watching this has a pending gun charge, before you roll over and take a plea, I would see how we could use this change in the law, even if it's not our circuit,
Sure.
or not our district court of appeals that made this ruling. Use it in your favor, because you should.
Right.
Whether I agree or disagree with it, any law, I'm going to use it to my client's advantage,
Right.
if it favors them, because that's what my job is. And
Right.
I think anybody with a gun charge right now would want to look and see how this recent ruling and how the Attorney General's statewide memo could affect them, because I think that there's a lot of opportunity.